A past simple can include a positive sentence that says that something did happen. It can also include a negative sentence that says that something did not happen. And it can also include a question sentence that asks for information. So example 1 is I walked to school. That's an example of a positive sentence. Next example is I didn't walk to school, which is an example of a negative sentence. And lastly, did you walk to school, which is a question, and obviously ends with a question mark, so it's a question. So past continuous also includes what past simple does, a positive sentence, a negative sentence, and also it can include a question sentence. Okay, so here are some past continuous examples. First one is a positive sentence. I was walking to school, which tells you that something that did happen. Second example is I wasn't walking to school, which is an example of a negative sentence. It tells you that something that did not happen. And lastly is a question. Was she walking to school? And obviously ends with a question mark. It's quite simple, right? So let's look at the comparison. If you get these two in your head, you'll never ever get confused. So past simple is a completed action, and past continuous is an ongoing action. Note this down somewhere, or just even in your head, anywhere. And trust me, you'll never get it confused. And always feel free to come back to my videos. Okay, so let's do a quick practice. You can pause the video and do it in your own time or come along with me. So here's a sentence. I walked to school when it started raining. It's incorrect actually. So why exactly? It does seem alright, but it's not. It uses the wrong sentence, wrong word for the wrong tense. Okay, so the correct sentence should say something like this. Well, right now it's not filled in yet, so let's just fill in together. So let's choose a different color. So, okay. I something to school when it started raining. I was walking to school when it started raining. So we use past continuous because walking was in progress, and we use past simple because the rain started suddenly. That's why. Okay, common mistake. Let's go through two mistakes. One for past simple and one for past continuous. This one is for past simple. So, did you walk to school? This is a very common mistake, and I'm sure everyone gets it wrong. Even myself sometimes, when I was learning, oh my god, I used to make these mistakes all the time. Okay, so that's incorrect. Did you walk to school? Correct would be, did you walk to school? We don't use ed after did because did already shows the past. So we always have to use the base verb after did. So I'll write the rule here. Did plus base verb. Okay, always remember this. Okay, past continuous. Common mistake. I was walked to school. Okay, this does also sound wrong at the same time, but why? Because after was or were, we must use verb which ends with the ing. So it will be I was walking to school. Walking in, okay? Verb ends with the ing, and we use either was or were for past continuous sentences. Okay?